Hi everyone, welcome back to Wise Words Wednesday. I'm Jamie, president and founder of Fabric to Finish. Thank you for joining me today. Did you ever wonder what happens during a fashion fitting? Let's take a close look at the process step by step. Step 1, garment try on. Each sample is carefully tested on a fit model, a human fit model. It is evaluated, we evaluate fit, silhouette, how the design translates from sketch to real life 3D. This is the moment where the garment truly begins to come alive. Step 2, check fit and movement. Shoulders, waist, hips, and inseam are all assessed, along with how the garment moves when the model walks, sits, or stretches for that matter. Comfort, proportion, and balance are just as important as appearance. Step 3, planning and adjustments. Seams, darts, hems, logo branding placement, and all the other design details are refined. Small changes here can completely transform how a garment looks and feels, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the designer's vision. Step 4, fabric assessment. Every material behaves differently. Stretch, drape, weight, and texture are carefully observed to ensure the fabric performs as intended and enhances the overall design and fit. Now remember, before we get to step 5, fabric in protos sometimes is substitute fabric, so we all have to know about that going into the fitting to expect different things that come out of the sample making. Okay, let's go to step 5. Design review and final notes. The garment is reviewed thoroughly against the original design concept and specs. Every observation, every adjustment, and recommendation is recorded to guide the next sample of the development cycle. Step 6, final approval. Once all adjustments are complete and the garment meets the vision for fit and style and movement and function, it's signed off for production or for runway. Fashion fittings are where creativity meets precision. Every stitch, every seam, and every detail is evaluated and refined because in fashion production, perfection is the process. This meticulous care ensures that every finished garment not only fits flawlessly, but embodies the designer's intent and original vision. Thank you so much for joining me today. As always, if you have any questions about anything that I spoke about, please reach out to us at fabrictofinish.com. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.